Alright guys, welcome back to my daily cryptocurrency video. In today's video I will be starting with Bitcoin and will mention a few altcoins, and I'm going to be speaking about a potential alt season that we can have, guys. So obviously I'm going to be starting with Bitcoin because, as you guys can see, Bitcoin is the king. On the right side of my screen, Bitcoin is currently pumping about 6% approximately, and since Bitcoin is pumping, he is the leader, and we are seeing a green market because of that. So let's have a look with the 1 hour time, guys. I did mention a head and shoulder pattern yesterday. I actually posted the video for those of you guys who saw it, and this was the head, the left shoulder, this was the head, this was the right shoulder, and my target was the 54 region, 54,000 region approximately. So this is how you would calculate. You would do the breakout. This would be the breakout, 54,759, as you guys can see. So I don't like to go all the way to my target, of course. I think it's, you have to be greedy in order to do that. I would probably essentially take profit there and see what's up. Anyways, let's have a look at the 4 hour time frame, guys. We are hitting a pretty critical resistance region. So this was previously support, actually. We found support right here, right here, right here. This was all support. We got support right here, and we just flipped it to resistance because we broke down in the trend line, okay? So we could potentially see a rejection around right here. We are actually seeing Bitcoin pump right now, all-time highs of today, or in the past 2 days I should say, which is very interesting as I'm doing this. So it's going to be very interesting. I would like to see a nice closure above the 55,000 level in order to see a pump more to the upside. Let's have a look at the volume profile, guys, real quick. The volume profile is, in my opinion, it's one of the most important indicators. For you guys who don't know what the volume profile is, it essentially indicates you how much, where the point of control is, first of all, and how much money has been traded in in that price range. So as you guys can see right here, the most money has been traded at 56,693. So this is going to be a critical level after we break this resistance, which we are currently doing right now. Let's have a look at the exponential moving average real quick. So this is the exponential moving average, EMA ribbons. Very, very interesting, very, very powerful. It is, it is the trend. It's a very, very strong trend indicator, and we are currently flipping up to the upside. I would like to see a nice close. In order for me to go long, I would like to see a nice close above the exponential moving average. So it's going to be very interesting to see what it's going to do and what it's about to do in the next couple of hours, or 6 to 7 hours in my opinion. So let's take that away, guys, for a second. Let's have a look at some altcoins. We got Chili's right here. We got a nice little bounce off the support off Chili's. We are seeing a slight descending triangle on Chili's. I'm not really liking it. To me, it's like a slightly bearish. We can break to the downside. I would like to see this trend line get broken. If I see a nice break off here, about this region above here, that would be, it is essentially the 55,000 level. Then I would like to see, I would essentially be looking to pull along. Guys, ADA exploded today. ADA made a huge comeback. Guys, that was just a really, really horrible trade. Just a lot of manipulation in the ADA market, and Cardano, we saw 3 big candles. Look at that, guys. This is like, it's such a weird pattern with whatever it's doing. Can we see ADA form a triple top right here? Very, very possible. Is that gonna happen? I don't know. If there's an alt season, I think we could blow past that, go to $2 essentially. So we do have some sort of support right here, as you guys can see. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touches, 5 touches, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got a lot of touches. So this is actually a nice healthy correction after a nice little pump. I could see something like that perhaps. It's going to be very interesting to see what the whole market does as a whole. The Bitcoin dominance is down, is 0.16%. Look at that, guys. We are very, very close of breaking down. In my opinion, we can see a massive, massive alt season if this happens, a massive one. I would like to see, Bitcoin dominance drop all down to 57, even lower, even 55, like this region, 52 level, in order for us to have the biggest alt season we have ever experienced, guys. So it's going to be very interesting to see what it does. Overall, guys, the whole market is green. Very, very good market. Very, very nice bounce. I believe that was a bounce of the 200 moving average, I believe. So that's that's about it, guys. Let's have a look at EOS. EOS is back above 411. Made a nice little candle up there. Nice little comeback after this this big dump. AVA, guys. For you guys who don't know what AVA is, I would highly recommend looking into AVA. The market cap of aviation, or it's it's approximately $350 billion. So it's this coin is just going to be massive. And yeah, that's it, guys. This is a quick short crypto daily update. If you guys like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, babe.